How to create catalog on Word app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create catalog on Word app, easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to the app. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner right here and click on this plus icon. Click on it like this, and first thing, choose where you want to create the catalog, your drive or the device or whatever. I recommend you just choose the first option. Go down here and you will find the catalog right here, and here is it, the catalog. As you can see, click on it like this and you will be able to change whatever you want here just by clicking. And after you finish, click on the top corner and click save here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.